In this lesson, you will learn about finding the measures of missing angles. So here I have a diagram. I have some straight lines that are intersecting, and I can, with just this information here and this information, find the measures of all of these other angles. Okay, so we're going to use things like vertical angles, complementary and supplementary angles to find these missing angles. Okay, so I'm going to start with what's easy. This angle is vertical to this angle. These two lines cross each other. They're straight lines that cross, and they create vertical angles that are congruent. So this angle and this angle are congruent. So y is 25 degrees. That's an easy one. Okay, so those two angles are congruent. I know that these two angles right here create this 90-degree angle. So these two angles are complementary. They add to 90 degrees. So I'm going to take 90 degrees and subtract 25 from it. And I get 65 degrees. So the measure of angle W is 65 degrees. So these two add to 90 degrees right here. Well, this angle from here to here is 90 degrees. This whole line, this line is 180 degrees because it's a straight line. So from here all the way over here is 180 degrees. And I know that this is already 90 degrees. So this angle also has to be 90 degrees because 90 degrees and 90 degrees equals the straight line of 180 degrees. Okay. So that gives me the W, the X, and the Y. Now I have this Z over here. Well, I see this straight line right here. Okay, this straight line from here over to here is also 180 degrees. So I can use 180 degrees, and if I subtract this 25 degrees that is already there, I'll find what's left over. Subtract 25, and that's 155 degrees. Z equals 155 degrees. Okay, and I can check by adding it to, this is a straight line right here, 155 degrees. From this all the way over to here should be a straight line or 180 degrees. 155 plus 25 should give me 180 degrees. 25, that's 10. Yes, it is. So you can use vertical angles to help you find missing angles. You can use complementary angles to help you find missing angles, and you can use supplementary angles to help you find the measures of missing angles. And that's the end of our lesson on finding measures of missing angles.